Nobody Got Wet by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brichta. Dad got a boat. Everyone sat in the boat. Dad pushed the boat out. Oh no, Dad was stuck. Mom pulled Dad. Wilma pushed the boat. They went down the river. Nobody got wet. What a good job, said Mom. They had a picnic. It began to rain, but nobody got wet. The boat floated away. Oh no, gasped Mom. Help me get the boat. Mom pulled the boat in. Don't let me fall in, said Mom. Mom didn't get wet. Nobody got wet, said Dad. It was time to go home. Oh no, everyone got wet. Oxford Reading Tree, Stage 4, More Stories A. Nobody got wet. Everyone goes to the river for a picnic. This story practices these words: but, don't, down, good, got, had, help, home, out, pushed, pulled, time, what. Like, share and subscribe to Arsal Academy and hit the bell icon.